This is the perfect recipe for breakfast. So we're going to start by adding 3 eggs to a bowl. And I'm telling you, the taste of this recipe, it's going to surprise you. This is a very easy and practical recipe. I love making it. So just add a little bit of salt now for seasoning. Add some black pepper. And 1 spoonful of paprika. And then with the help of a whisk, you just want to mix that really well. Now add 50 grams of grated mozzarella cheese. I love adding cheese to recipes. Add a little bit of parsley for seasoning and just stir and mix everything together. Now, when finished, just set aside. And then in a saucepan, we're going to add some butter. And then just turn on the heat to a nice medium temperature and let it melt. I love making this recipe for my children. They love this recipe too. These eggs just go perfectly with breakfast. And of course, my children love to eat these eggs for breakfast. So after melting the butter, we're just going to separate the egg and cheese mixture. And now we're going to add 1 loaf of bread to the egg mixture. And you just want to do this until the mixture is well spread on your bread. The parsley makes the bread even tastier, so good. Now we're going to fry the slice of bread in the pan with butter. Now do this over a low heat so it doesn't burn. And soon you will have an incredible breakfast. Now, see how easy it is to make such a delicious and tasty breakfast. So next, we're just going to pour some of the egg and cheese mixture over that bread. Now, just let that cheese melt. It looks so good. The tip is to always cook at medium or at low heat, so you have more control. Nothing burns, the cheese doesn't stick to the pan, and it just looks so wonderful. Now, after a few minutes, carefully turn the slice of bread over and fry it again on the other side. And then add another quantity of eggs with cheese. The cheese is definitely our special and favorite ingredient in this dish. Just spread the cheese all over the bread. And then turn the slice of bread over once more. And I mean, look at how beautiful and super crispy it is. And the taste is going to be amazing. Your family will always ask you to make this breakfast. It is the perfect breakfast sandwich recipe. The flavor is just so incredible. And you can also add other spices or ingredients if you prefer. Now, after frying on both sides, we're just going to remove the bread from the pan and serve on a plate. You can go ahead and cut it in half to make it a little bit easier. My mouth is watering. I am so excited to eat this. This recipe is perfect. Please enjoy. Try this recipe at home and fall in love with it.